Why doesn't real estate come with a guarantee? You buy a car, it has a guarantee. You can even buy a toaster that has a guarantee. Well, ours does. When you sell your home with us, we're going to execute our 16 key marketing systems to get your home sold fast for top dollar. Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group. And we want to let you know that you can go to our website, evansguaranteedsaleplan.com, to read all about our guarantees, how we can guarantee the sale of your home. If not, we'll buy it. How we sell homes faster for more money, and they're more likely to sell. So if you found this information helpful, please share it, like it, send it to a friend. We want to thank you for watching today. We're also on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital. So your referrals and your business really do help the kids at Texas Children's, and we thank you for that. So we hope everybody's having a great day. If you know someone that's looking to buy or sell real estate, please refer them to our real estate sales team. Have a great day, and we're going to talk to all of y'all real soon.